And a little uncanny key, you write about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in your book and how it affected, so deeply it affected you. Yeah. And your first film was also Jallianwala Bagh.
It's about the massacre in Jallianwala Bagh.
Yes.
That was really strange.
Yeah.
And when I saw this new film with Vicky Kaushal,
Yes. Right.
beautifully made, they recreated Jallianwala Bagh massacre night for a good 45 minutes on the screen time.
Yes, right.
And it was beautifully done, yeah. And that made me think, I said, 1 second, my first film was also Jallianwala Bagh.
Right, yeah.
And if you visit the the Partition Museum in Amritsar, that film is there. Uska ek chota DVD hai wahan pe.
So how did you come to do this film, Jallianwala Bagh? I mean, now after completing your education there and you were in New York.
Yeah. I came to India for a holiday, and I started pursuing. I went and met Shyam Benegal.
Okay.
I met one or two other people. I think Rajshri Films, and also Rajshri Films and Shyam Benegal to begin with, And then I was offered a lead role by Rajshri Films, and I went back and I told my parents that I've been offered a film. So they were very surprised because I'd never mentioned this dream of mine to anyone. They were very surprised. My mother said, nothing doing. We are living in America. There's nobody to look after you. Bombay, akele, film industry mein. How are you going to do this? She was so adamant. She said, no. My father was more, he was more pliable.
Okay.
He said, okay.
Like fathers generally are.
He said, okay, if you really want to do something that much, maybe you'll do a good job of it. So go try it out. I said, you give me 1 year. He said, you take 2 years, but if nothing works out, don't come back with any complexes. Just pick up from where you started. You're an artist. You can do anything. Go,
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. So you went to Bombay alone, you shifted there and...
No, my Bua was there.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was with my Savita Bua that I first stayed with. And then from there, things started.
Okay. Yeah. So you had a wonderful journey, right from, Chashme Badur, Ek Baar Phir, and so many others. And then you also, you're a photographer also, you're a painter, you've had your art studio in Himachal with all your paintings.
My artwork is all in Himachal. I have a small little studio there.
Okay.
It's not a commercial gallery. It just hosts all my work. Okay. My film work, all my film posters are there. You will see clips of various films. There was a young girl who curated this whole thing. She planted the idea in my head because I had my work spread all over the place. Yeah. Some paintings were lying in Delhi, some in Amritsar, some in Himachal, किसी ढाबे वाले के पिछले कमरे में जहाँ पानी गिर रहा है, and some in Bombay. So she said, let me do this for you, ma'am. That place you have, वो तो आप साल में 2 बार जाएंगी. Let me convert it into your art gallery. So she did that. And so my books are there. My archive is like a small little archive. Photography is there. All my paintings went to. We collected from everywhere, जहाँ बची हुई थी. तो वो जो मेरे collection में है, वो सब वहाँ है.
So now you live between Himachal and New York?
Yeah, between Himachal, Bombay and New York.
Bombay, these are your 3 areas.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.